On slide 4, we're going to copy and paste that square we just made 2 times. So come here. Remember, make sure you're just selecting the square and not the image on accident. Just select the square. We're going to copy and paste that twice. So I'm going to hit down Control C, and then I'm just going to hit, I still have Control held. I'm just going to hit VV. See how it copied it twice. Go ahead and drag each one closer to, basically we're going to be doing this same kind of border around the image for your other 2 images. So just drag them somewhere over there. Then we're going to use the align command again so that the square and the image are directly on top of each other. So let's select one of your squares, hold down Control, select the picture you want it to align with, go to one of your format tabs, I don't care which one, back up to align. Again, make sure that this is selected here, align selected objects, and you're going to center those selected objects, and then you're going to align them in the middle. Okay, and then go ahead and do that same thing for your next one. I'm going to do it quickly. Hold Control, align, center, align, middle. Perfect. Okay, and then I believe we need to send those to the back. You may have to send the copied squares. Yes, so let's make sure to go ahead and send these squares to the back. Select it. I'm going to, oopsie, it's not going to let me now. Watch, being mean. I'm going to right click. I have to pause you guys. I'm going to right click and send to back. And I'm going to do the same thing here. Select it, select your square. That one will let me do it. Right click, send to back. Try this one again. And it won't for some reason on this one. Weird. There we go. Send to back. All right. So now all 3 of your images have this border that you chose around them and behind the actual image. Okay, now we're going to group each set of the square image pairs. So start with one of them, click the square, hold Control, click the image, make sure they are both selected. Go to one of the format tabs and hit group, and then now you see that they are one image as opposed to 2 different ones. So you can resize them and drag them wherever you want as one object as opposed to 2. Go ahead and group the other 2. I'll do the first one with you. Click either the image or the square, hold down Control, click the other one, format tab, hit group, and you can go ahead and do the 3rd one on your own. Pause me if you need to, meet me on the other side. Okay, step 4. Now what we're going to do is we're going to align them onto the slide so they are all evenly distributed onto the slide. Makes it look nice. So it says select all 3 objects, align them to the middle of the slide using the align command. Okay, so we're going to select one, hold down Control. It might not look like the whole thing is selected, but it is. Select one, hold down Control, select another, hold down Control, and select the 3rd one. Again, in one of the format tabs, come up here to align. This time we want it to say align to slide because we want those objects aligning to the slide, not to each other this time. Okay, sorry guys, this was being problematic. Okay, so again, you've got them selected. You selected align to slide, and now we're going to go align middle to the middle of the slide. Uh-oh, looks like I did not group this last set, my bad. If that happens, that means you didn't group one of the sets. So in this case, I'm just going to realign these 2. I'm going to hold down Control, format, align, center. You know what? I still have it aligned to slide, so I need to hit align selected objects. Sorry, guys. Align center, align middle. There we go. And now I'm going to have to realign to the center of the slide, and I got to group them. Sorry, guys. Totally messed up. Okay, now I'm going to realign to the slide. Align to slide. This is me messing up. So if I'm going too fast for you right now, it's because I'm fixing what I did. And we're going to align middle. Boom. Okay, so when you were done, Yours should all be in the center of the slide, okay? Now we've got one more area that we're going to fix to make this just perfect. Step 5, we are distributing these objects evenly horizontally. Basically what that means is, so we did, my battery's running low. Align them to the center of, to the middle of the slide vertically, but notice that like my pizza is closer to my ranch than it is to my cheese. So we're gonna fix that by distributing these objects evenly horizontally. It means put the same exact amount of space between them so they're evenly distributed. Okay, so once again, make sure your objects are selected. My computer died. So we were saying, I think, I'm going to reselect these. Okay, so we're going to make sure that our objects were selected, be on one of our format tabs, and then align. This time, again, make sure you're aligned to slide, and we are going to distribute these objects horizontally. Boom. Once you do that, you should see, if you click out of them, these 3 objects are now exactly in the center of the slide vertically, and they are evenly distributed, meaning they've got the same exact amount of space between them. It just is super easy to get it to look nice without having to eyeball it. Okay, that is it for slide 4.